Hare Krishna, morning walk again. I'll teach you a very different and very magical concept today. Understand the theme of your Lagnesh, the Lord of the first house. This will tell you a lot of things. Now, how this technique works. Divide your horoscope into three parts. Whatever Lagna, be it Mesh, Aries, or Gemini, or Taurus, or Libra, whatever Lagna. Now you divide this based on houses, not based on Rashis. Now you divide your horoscope into three parts. So if you have to divide through 4 houses each. So from first house to fourth house is one part, from fifth house to 8th house is the second part, and from 9th house to the 12th house is the third part. Each part will have 36 padas because every house, every zodiac has 9 padas. 36, 36, 36. Now do not consider it as 36 padas, but consider it as 36 years of your life. So now imagine, first 36 of your life, everyone's life, okay, not my, your, everyone is dominated by Chandra. Because if you pick up the Mesh Lagna or the Kalpurush horoscope, in the first, second, third and fourth house, the most dominant planet is Moon, the fourth lord. Kalpurush ki kundi ki baat kar raha hu. So the principle is always taken from Kalpurush. So first 36 years of your life, you're always towards, Moon is path towards the wealth. You're running behind the wealth, you're running behind emotions, you expect a lot of emotions from parents and then from your wife and everyone, and then you give a lot of emotions. So it's very emotional journey. The first 36, it has excitement, it has competition, targets, but everything is very, very emotional. The moment you cross 36th year of your life, the ego that I am right, you give your best to prove it to your spouse. Your spouse has to take all the ego of your life. That is the next 36 years. Imagine from the 5th house to 8th house, the most powerful planet is Sun in the Kalpurush Kundli. So we are just taking the principle. This principle can be applied to any Lagna. So next 36 years is all about commanding ego and saying that you are right, and you're telling your employees, your team that, hey, look, this is what it is, this is my experience. This is how you should, work. You are wrong here. And then you have a lot of ego of your own experience. So that's next 36 years. And from 9th house to 12th house, the most powerful planet is Jupiter in the Kalpurush horoscope, Mesha Lagna. So Jupiter is the theme of the life in the later stages: Guru, Dharma, teaching and solace and meditation, and not trying to show your prakram. Jupiter never shows its prakram. Jupiter wants to be isolated. Very, very simple and high quality life is what the truthful life is, the life of Jupiter. Now you apply this principle to your own horoscope. Find out where is your Lagna Lord. Is it in the first 4 houses, or is it from the 5th house to the 8th house, or it is between 9th house or in the 12th house? So is it between the first 4 houses, or between 5 to 8, or from 9 to 12? Where it is? Wherever it is, that is going to become theme of your life. So agar aapka Lagna Lord, the Lagnesh, is in the first 4 houses, your life will be Moon dominating, emotion dominating. As a child, you were saying mama, mama, mama all the time, and then the wife, 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 and then children, 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 all work, family, everything is emotionally dominating relationships. If your Lagna Lord is from 5th house to 8th house, you will have ego. Even if it is not, there will be a very hidden ego inside you. and you will try to dominate your life as well as the life of people surrounding you. You will try your level best. Even if you can't, because that is based on your horoscope, the other placements of the planets, but you will try. That is where you will be focused. And it is not bad if you want to be a government officer, or if you want to have a very commanding position in life. To have Lagna Lord, from in between 5th to 8th house is fantastic. But if your Lagna Lord is between 9th to the 12th house, ladies and gentlemen, it's Brahaspati dominating area. And it is like natural significations. Whatever your Lagna is, need not be Aries. I think I'm repeating this for the third time. So you will be more of spiritual, traveling, long distance travel. Jupiter doesn't stop. Jupiter Guru or a Rishi or a Sadhu will keep moving. So if you have Lagna Lord in the 9th or in the 10th or in the 11th house or in the 12th house, irrespective of any Rashi or Nakshatra, you will be very spiritual in some stage of your life. You will be extremely Jupiter oriented, mindset, and you will have life as if you are here for a purpose of teaching, finding yourself, spirituality, and a lot of other things. Apply this and let me know, and I would need the feedback. You love it when you look at your chart. Think about it. Is the first 4 houses, the middle 4 houses, or the last 4 houses? Are you emotional? Are you disciplined and organized? Or are you very, very spiritual? That's how you understand within a second the theme of a horoscope. You'll love it. I'll come back again. Till then, Hare Krishna, Har Har Mahadev.